Hey y'all, it's T and welcome back to Tea Time. In this video, I went out to Kroger. Did not plan on making a video. That's why I did not record any footage in the store. And plus my stores are really loud around here. But anyway, I went to Kroger because there are some amazing laundry deals going on right now. Shout out to my sis, my girl, Coupon with Star. I cannot stress enough, y'all. If y'all do not have a coupon buddy, whether they are local or miles and miles, hours and hours away, you need to get one. We live maybe 4.5 hours away maybe, but we communicate with each other. Things that she sees that I may have missed, she lets me know, and vice versa. You really need that in this coupon world because you cannot catch every single deal. All right, when I work during the week, I barely check Instagram, so she is my eyes and my ears and vice versa. So get you a coupon buddy if you don't have one already. All right, moving on to Kroger. She texted me and let me know about these amazing laundry deals that are going on. She saw, I think it's Thy or The Inc. is THI.INC on Instagram. She posted about her finds and she let me know. It really helped me out in the store with scanning things that were not tagged. All right, so I am going to get into all of my finds that I did or that I found at Kroger, and I did 5 transactions at Kroger. All right, so the first transaction that I did, I have the Gain Flings, the 42 count. These are priced at $3, y'all. $3. They were not tagged at my store. Okay, they are priced at $3. I used this $3 coupon right here. And you can see that's a 37 count or larger, which made these completely free. All right, that's unheard of for this size of Gain Flings. All right, and that coupon came from the 214 retail me not. All right, and also in this transaction, I picked up the Gain liquid fabric softener, the 51 ounce. These were priced at $1.80. I used a $1 off coupon from the same insert, making it 80 cents. All right, and I do know everybody knows about the limits on the coupons, but Kroger will allow you, all of my stores will allow you to use up to 5 light coupons in the same transaction. Some stores do 3. Some stores go by what the coupon says. Do whatever your store allows. I cannot help you if your store does not let you use the amount of coupons that you want to use. I don't have anything to do with that. All right, so here is my first receipt. You can see the Gain Flings at the top, the softener. You can see all of my coupons. And then minus the tax, my subtotal was $3.20 for all 6 items. All right, moving on to the next transaction. This is the Downey Wrinkle Guard fabric softener, the 40 ounce. These were priced at my store for, what was it? $4.78. But on the mega event, it made them $3.78 because it took off $1. So there is a $3 coupon in the February P&G. Make sure you read the words on your coupons, not just the pictures, because if you go by the picture, you would think that this coupon was not a match. Okay, on the coupon, it says 1 Downey Wrinkle Guard liquid fabric conditioner, 40 ounce. That's what this is. All right, so that coupon is a match. And again, do what your store allows as far as the limits. So after that coupon, it made these 78 cents. And I picked up 5 in this transaction. And you can see all of my coupons came off. Don't mind the debit card fee that they charge for cash back and taxes. My subtotal was $3.90 for all 5 of these. Not bad. All right, moving on to the next transaction. The Dove single bars. These are on sale 10 for 10 this week. I'm not sure. I forgot to look at the tag to see when that ends, but 10 for 10. If you have this coupon right here, you can use it. The 3 off of 2 any Dove products. Check your IP Fairies. This coupon will give you $1 in overage for every 2 that you purchase. There is also another coupon in the Retail Me Not. It says off of any 2 Dove bars or body wash, but the size restriction applies to the body wash. It does not apply to the bars. So that 2 off of 2 you can use on these to make these completely free, but better if you have this coupon right here. All right. So what I did was I picked up 6 of these, and then I picked up 5 of the Gain of the Gain dryer sheets, 120 count. These were priced at $1.37. So I used that $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon from the 214 Retail Me Not, making these 37 cents. All right, the Snuggle dryer sheets, the 70 count, these were priced at $1.32. There is $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupon. I think it came in the 27 Retail Me Not. I'll make sure I put on the screen exactly where that came from. Made these 32 cents. So what I did, I took the overage from the Dove to pay for the Snuggle and the Gain dryer sheets. All right, so here's my receipt. You can see I have 5 and 5 of each item, and then all of the 6 Dove bar soaps. And then you can see all of my coupons scanned right here. And my subtotal was 45 cents plus tax. That's what I paid for all of these. All right, moving on to the next transaction. I picked up 4 more of the Snuggle dryer sheets, and then 1 more of the Gain dryer sheets. Same price as I stated previously. And then I also have 8 of the Dove bars because I wanted it to apply to eggs and milk that I needed. The eggs was $1.89. The milk was $1.39. All right, so here is the receipt here. You can see the milk, the dryer sheets, all of the Dove bars, all of the coupons that I mentioned. And then my subtotal was 93 cents plus tax for this transaction. All right, moving on to my very last transaction, which was these items right here. The Downey is what the Tide plus Downey free/nature. These were priced at $2 at my store. And keep in mind, I saw these at the store that I got these from, the Downey. They were $5.99 there. At this store, it was $2. And then these right here were $2.91 at this store. And at this store, it was $3 and some change. So your price will vary per store. All right, so $2. Using this $2 coupon from the February P&G will make them absolutely free. All right, the Draft Laundry Stain Remover. This was priced at 82 cents. I picked it up because I like the way it smells and it's draft, so I can use it on the baby clothes. And then bacon, which is something that I needed. I threw that in because it was a part of the mega event, and I needed a 5th item to go along with the Downey Wrinkle Guard. So I picked up 4 more of these. These were priced at $3.91, but the mega event made them $2.91. So that $3 coupon that I showed down there applies here, and it would be free plus a 9-cent overage. So the 9 cents that I got from using 4 coupons basically got applied to my other stuff. All right, and that's all the coupons that I used. So here is my receipts. You can see the Draft, the Tide, the Downey, and then the bacon. And then my subtotal was $5.45. Now the bacon alone was $4.99. So I basically paid for the bacon and some of the price of that Draft spray. All right, so it came up to $5.45 here. All right, so the final breakdown of everything that you are looking at, you are looking at a total of 50 items. I paid $13.93. That's pre-tax because everybody's taxes are different. So I paid $13.93 for all 50 items, making these 28 cents each before tax. So if you guys have a Kroger, I suggest that you move and go and get some of these good laundry items, because a lot of these coupons, especially the P&G coupons, they expire coming up soon. And also I think the Snuggle coupons too. So yeah, get to Kroger. If you guys have any questions about anything that you have seen in this video, please put them down in the comment section. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching.